So I'm glad you went through the whole module on problem solving. Now we're getting into the exercise. And again, it's a 20 minutes exercise with an AI prompt. The idea is for you to, there are two things. One, when you fill up these questionnaires, you're digging deeper inside yourself. And when you put it in AI, I am letting you practice. Getting more information about yourself or your idea from these tools like ChatGPT and all. You can use any tool for that matter. I'm using ChatGPT in the demos. You could use Claude AI, you could use DeepSeek, you could use Gemini, all of these, and they're doing fairly well. But the idea is that what I want to tell you is that we've not used AI like this before, right? Um, I just want to show you the length and breadth of a tool so that you can question more. So once you get these answers, question more, practice different prompts to get what you're looking exactly for. You can also do things like share your idea and say, okay, what do you think about it? Right? These are multiple ideas that I have, and they solve these problems. What do you think about it? Give me an answer in this particular structure, right? So you can define and play around with chat gpt or similar tools, like this. I'm just going to quickly walk you through the questionnaire, and you can use the link below to kind of fill it up. So the idea is to improve your problem solving skills. Identify the right problem and then start solving and build a specific solution for that. So we spoke about recurring problems. We want to identify recurring problems, list 5 recurring problems in your business or in life that keep showing up. So let's say you don't have a business right now, but can you please list problems that keep coming up, which is mental, physical, systemic problems. It could be anything. Describe 3 problems you solved recently and what was your approach. So, for example, I automated my email, or I spoke to ChatGPT and I did this. What was your approach? What were you thinking? Just document that. Write down 4 business challenges you are currently facing. These could be any. Name 3. These could be like marketing, finance, sales, product MVP. So you could write down these problems. Name 3 times you thought you solved a problem, but it came back. And it usually happens. It happened to me in an Excel sheet. I thought I solved it. When I went back, my formula was wrong, so I had to look for another formula. You know. So yeah, just put these experiences here. List 5 constraints or limitations you have that frustrate you the most. So we spoke about constraints and how to rise above those. Thinking patterns, 4 times you trusted your gut. I want to see through this questionnaire how you use intuition. List 3 decisions where you analyze too much, and I want to see how you use data. Write down 5 questions you typically ask when facing a new problem. The whys. But please be real. You have to write based on your experience. Don't take help of ChatGPT to fill up this. I'm encouraging you to use ChatGPT, but this one don't. This you don't have to be grammar conscious. You don't have to be anything. Just be real here. Name 4 people you turn to for different types of problem solving. That's good. Describe 3 times you found creative solutions despite limited resources. And you've done this, we've all done this. Just recall on these situations. List 5 tools, methods, or framework you use to solve your problems. Let's say I use ChatGPT for this. I use Excel for something. I use Google Docs for something else. All of that. So you can describe 4 times you fixed a symptom instead of a real problem. So here I would say, even if you've not done this, try to do this. And if you have like done it once, just enter the data. Write down 3 problems you avoided because they seem too complex. This you must answer. Name 5 small improvements that made a big difference in your life or work. You must answer this. List 4 areas where you tend to overcomplicate simple problems. Think about this. These could be emotional or problems at work, other places. Describe 3 solutions you knew you were right but didn't implement. List 5 constraints actually led to better solutions. 4 problems you could solve if you focused on just one thing. Name 3 systems you could create, prevent recurring problems. List 5 daily actions that you could compound into major improvements. Uh, and then copy paste this prompt. I'll just go through the prompt quickly. I've completed a problem solving skills assessment based on proven business frameworks. Please analyze my responses and create a personalized problem solving methodology. Identifies my problem solving strengths, reveals my thinking style, creates a custom problem solving framework. This is beautiful. Identifies my recurring problem patterns, designs constraints based on solutions, provides a one thing focused strategy. Even ChatGPT can give you suggestions on that one thing. Creates a systemic improvement plan. Then structure it, problem solving profile, recurring issue analysis, custom framework, constraint advantages, one thing focus. And we are working towards your idea. So we've now built your attitude towards problem solving, right? I hope you can finish this questionnaire right now in the next 20 minutes. Look at the answers, and I want you to create a new document. So the first document we created was all about you. The new document that I want you to create is all about your idea. So the first document, you could label it as activate. The second document, you could label it as think. Please do this exercise. Thank you.